Most of you guys probably noticed I don't do car events anymore, but this one weekend I decided to get out. I'm Mike Wynn, and here's my story on Nissfest. The morning started like any other morning. Get dressed, hang out with the dogs, say hello to the family, but the biggest difference was, well, today I decided to go out and enjoy a car thing. A lot of things have changed throughout my YouTube years. Obviously my cars, my business, my friendships. And in the end, I'm still the same guy, I just have very different priorities. One thing that is the same is my love and passion for cars, and it goes beyond what I can honestly explain. It kind of feels awkward being out actually, just because I'm not the typical car guy. I like almost all cars and appreciate weird little things about all of them. As most of you know, there's drama in the past year and a half, so when I go out it's really weird because I don't know how people will accept me. And I've never been the cool kid in school, and I just want to enjoy life and have fun. I don't really care to fit in.
Hey, what's up, Mike? Hi.
But it's refreshing to say hi to everyone.
And then you'll see my fuchsia.
Send it!
Send it, Mike.
I know on the surface I look like I'm super outgoing, but I'm a natural introvert. Honestly, I'm kind of shy. Like, I do all this because it's become my personality. But, as you guys can see on my Instagram and Snapchat, I'm a homebody. What's new with the car?
Dang, look at that. Got a big wang. Got a fuchsia. What else? Oh, look at that. Look at this banner.
Oh. 5, 10, 15 square root of that. A lot of horsepower.
1,000
1,000
horsepower.
Okay, so this is my first time out in a very, very long time. So I'm here. Mr. Famous over here. Mr. Famous over here.
Oh my God!
OG Daniel over here.
I want to go to the escape room.
Oh.
So I'm waiting for the invite.
Been out in so long, this is like sensory overload.
What's up, Mike?
Oh, what's up? I'm just like,
Oh yeah!
like, what the heck?
That caught me off guard.
I was like, he's about to kill right now.
Damn, look at them tires.
Okay, so continuing. So right here, my microphone decided to take a crap on me. So I was just talking about how pretty the cars are. Ooh. My gosh, look at this 370.
Oh shit, what's up, Mike?
What's up? What's up? It's crazy.
Hey, what's up, Smurf? How's it going, dude? How's it going? Oh, it's how about you?
What happened? Wait, what is this? This is yours?
Yes, my splitter.
What is
I
going
put it on $250. drove 5 minutes and it broke off.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Who
I'm
installed
back.
it? Who
I'm
installed
back.
it?
I did.
Oh,
I was just too
shit.
low. I was driving too low and I clipped something.
Look at this. Oh.
Play something for us. I broke off the scene. Yo, you guys. Oh, good to meet you, my dude.
Mike.
Alright, dude. I'll see ya. Oh. What's up, dude?
See, are you gonna win?
What are you gonna win? What are you gonna win? What are you gonna win?
Nada.
Oh, you win! 360. What did they win?
What'd you get? You got something big?
What do you mean? They won. What did you get? Oh, you guys got some cleaner. Oh, heck yeah. Thank you. There you go. Winner.
Kai, I found a wing bigger than yours. Nah.
How
Wow.
much horsepower do you think this thing makes? With the wing?
9,000.
9,000?
Look at this.
And which? Think sandwich?
Answer it or not?
Found a bigger wing than Kylan's.
Kylan,
Right, Kai?
another guy has a bigger wing than you.
Damn it!
Holy balls.
I'll tell you that right now.
That's what she said.
It's huge.
That's what she said. Back to back.
What's going on,
What's
Mike?
up, dude?
What's up, dude?
How are you?
Most likely, I was making fun of Kai. As usual, we're buddies, so we just kind of tease each other. Probably about how everything else is bigger than his stuff, and it's a that's what she said joke, basically. I have the humor of a 13-year-old, just to let you guys know. I'm 31. It hasn't changed, and probably will never.
Good. Jacked up on Nos. What's up, dude?
What it do? Got the cherried out, GT grape, rowdy fruit.
Rowdy is fucking ball. I already had one today.
It's just.
It's not you.
It's just. It's notorious.
Notorious. Look at this thing.
I think he beats me again.
He's bigger than you.
Man, I don't know. Oh, you might just step up your game.
This, let me show you guys. I'm really upset because I got 5 spokes. They're supposed to look like this. Oh, look at this. Clean.
What's up, bro? Long time no see.
Found wheels I like.
This right here is what I wanted. This right here. I just want a fucking bowl. Oh, put my baby in there.
I know you can put like.
We wandered into the area of race car drivers. Dun dun dun.
I see more big wings.
Big wangs. Big wang. Heard there's a sick car here. What? What's up, dude? How's it going?
Right.
Oh man, this is the beauty. Oh, easy there. Wow. Okay. Makes a little bit of power. just a little bit.
You know, just putting pressures on M4.
Ooh, damn.
No more effort. But I put huge brakes all around so that helps out a lot.
Oh, carbon fiber. I can't get in there. How do I get in there?
Alright, so let me explain the rules real quick. You got 5 seconds, 5 seconds him, and then 10 seconds both. Challenge
We
is
ended up
5
on
seconds,
stage.
go bro. Alright bro, I'm gonna let you out. Alright, clear some room guys, clear some room. The maximum took it.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, this guy's name's Ronnie.
gonna
He's got
win?
a
Who's
G.
gonna win?
Let's let him start it out. Go for it.
I think the G.
Still got my Glock cocked, blue money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big mouth? Don't you see the big tongue? Don't you see the big grin?
Currently on stage. Check it out. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, easy, Black Z. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. 5 seconds. That was a hard call. Let's go, guys. 5 seconds. Give it a shot. Not the hard
My
call.
eardrums
All right,
hurt,
guys. Right, Z. Yeah! All right, brother. Let's get you out of here.
Finale.
All right, guys. Looks like we.
Notorious.
What?
Notorious?
I think GTR.
Ooh, GTR?
Yeah, I think
You think so?
Yeah, go for it. His name's Sick.
Dude, he's gonna do a
Beautiful
pronoun
wife.
for a
She's
gender
the one that's
reveal.
carrying the
This is
twins. We're all super excited to see this.
Where girl?
Thank you, Jose.
Boy and
Appreciate
girl.
it, brother.
Maybe.
Hey,
Maybe.
that's cheating.
No, I think probably girls. I say girls.
I'm gonna say girls because I have a girl.
Look at Daddy all happy.
What if
He just called him
saw us?
daddy. Nice.
You guys are about to be Smurfs or whatever's pink. So you guys might want to back it up a little bit.
This video happens.
Go for it.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So that's the coolest gender reveal.
Let him through, let him through.
At an event.
That's cool. Twins, congrats, dude. Congrats.
So Jose.
Jose Z. Yeah. How are you? How's it going? Good. You're never too late to the show. What'd you think?
I was about to ask you the same thing.
Double vlogging.
All right.
That was good. It was
I
good.
liked it. I
It
liked
was
it.
nice to be out again. I've been indoors like for so long.
What happened to this guy right here?
He's gas.
Uh-oh.
What's up? What's up, man? Like a sweater. Thank you. Bye.
Go home safe.
Bye-bye.
And that was pretty much my day. I came out of my shell for a little bit and was able to hang out with some really cool people and check out some cool cars. Typically, I'm at my desk or in the warehouse. I'm a worker first before a YouTuber, and it's always been that way. And I guess that's my story on Nissfest. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do me a huge favor and leave a comment, a like, and I guess the notification. I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.